Introducing two new innovations in CO2 laser marking and coding, the SmartLase C600 X-WIDE solution and the SmartLase C600 BOU solution. The SmartLase C600 BOU beam orientation unit is an accessory for the Markem Imaje SmartLase C600 60-watt CO2 laser coder. With our BOU solution, you'll have the advantage of limitless flexibility, and it's designed to integrate easily into the most challenging spaces, providing powerful laser coating right where you need it. High-quality, chemical-free, permanent coating on PET bottles, glass, labels, flexible films, inked paper, cartons, and coated metals. The BOU offers adaptability and ease of integration. Fully configurable with up to 3 elbows and 4 tubes available in 6 standard lengths. And the BOU solution is designed for durability and safety with an IP55 ingress protection rating. Get high-quality permanent marking with greater line efficiency. And with the addition of the BOU solution, you have the flexibility and freedom to place your codes right where you need them. And we're proud to introduce the X-WIDE printhead option for the SmartLase C600, delivering 5 times the printing area for your wide web film applications. Now with one laser, print an industry-leading 820 by 500 mm marking area. That means two 60-watt lasers can print an amazing 1.6 meters wide web print area. MI's powerful combination of the SmartLase C600 X-WIDE and Colo software with matrix mode, it's easy to print multiple packages all in one shot. And you'll have the versatility you need for not only matrix coding, but also for late-stage customization and scoring. Thanks to our industry-leading wide print area, you'll require fewer laser coders and there are no consumables to worry about. So that means less maintenance and fewer line stoppages, resulting in lower total cost of ownership and operating expenses. If you need speed and power for your stick pack or wide web coding, the SmartLase C600 X-WIDE truly delivers. The X-WIDE is a faster, more efficient solution, and it's reliable, cost-effective, and energy efficient. Combine the SmartLase C600 with the MI's Packaging Intelligence software suite, Colos, to support message and job creation, product database management, as well as track and trace and regulatory compliance. Whatever your application needs, production speeds, and code complexity, you can trust the SmartLase C600 from Markem Imaje will power up your production and bring down your costs. It's an intelligent choice for your smart factory.